How to fix Google Maps voice navigation not working. Let's get started. First, check volume and mute settings. Make sure your phone volume is turned up and not muted. Also check media volume, not just ringtone. Next, enable voice navigation in Google Maps. So open Google Maps, tap your profile icon, click on Settings, navigate to the option Navigation. Make sure you have set sound voice to on mute. Likewise, guidance volume to louder. Enable for the option play voice over Bluetooth. With these customization, your problem might be fixed. Next thing you wanna do is enable permission. For that, close this and launch your settings app. Now scroll all the way down and navigate to the option apps. From the list of apps, find map. Now you will need to enable microphone permissions for it. Likewise, if using Bluetooth, make sure media audio is enabled. Disable and re-enable Bluetooth or switch to phone speaker in navigation settings. Next up, update Google Maps. So close this, launch your App Store or Play Store. Search for the app Google Maps. After app appears, if you find the option of update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. And that's it. These are some fixes for Google Maps voice navigation not working. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.